Hello, I'm going to show you how to make these really simple lavender plants. So you need your crochet hook and purple yarn. Start with making a slip knot. And chain 50. We will skip the first chain from a hook and make a single crochet into each of the following chains all the way back to the start. Just one single crochet into each chain. When you get to the end and you have got just one chain left, into the very last one, you will be making 5 single crochet stitches. So it will start turning your work around naturally. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then a slip stitch to this to secure it into place. Now we'll be going back along the other side of the chain. Make chain of 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and single crochet into the next stitch. And this is the pattern you will be now repeating all the way around till you get back to this very beginning. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then a single crochet, and again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and the next one. Just keep repeating that same pattern. When you get to the end of your first side, just carry on around to the other side. 3, 4, 5, 6, and then just turn your work around and continue the other side. Chaining 6 and then making a single crochet into the next stitch. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and a single crochet. You'll be doing the same thing with both sides of your work. Now that we're back at the start, finish off with a slip stitch and fasten off. Leave a little bit of a tail, just sewing the ends in. Now you can hide the starter tail now, but leave the other one just for a minute. Now get your wire, and we will start adding the wire from the top all the way to the bottom, and we'll do it by going in through these little, like there's a middle stitches. You should just about be able to see them. Just feed the wire through, in and out of the middle row. You've gone all the way to the end. Push the flower up a bit. Make sure you accidentally don't go over the edge. So we'll bend this end now. And this is where I'll be using this end tail. Just to go through the tip to make sure that you won't see the wire. And just push your flower up. Just to finish, we can add a tiny bit of tape at the bottom where your flower head ends. And that means that your flower will be secure in place.